Hi guys, welcome back to the Russell Way, and today we're going to be cooking chicken enchiladas. Our ingredients today are cheese, sour cream, taco seasoning, tortillas, and this red sauce for the enchiladas, onions, a baking dish, and chicken breast. So right now we're going to season the chicken. So now we're going to put the chicken in the pan so we can season it. So now we're going to put the taco seasoning on top of the chicken so we can season it. Walk with me to take the chicken and put it in the oven. I just took the chicken out of the oven, and now we're about to shred the chicken in the bowl. So I already shredded up my chicken, and we're about to mix everything into the bowl. Look back at my recipe. So we're going to put a 1/4 cup of diced onions. So I added my onions in there, and we are going to put 1 1/2 cup of cheese. So now we're going to put our enchiladas red sauce in the bottom of our pan. One 1/2 cup of sour cream. Mix up all of our ingredients in our bowl. So now we're going to put our tortilla on our plate, and we're going to stuff it. So we're going to try to push it to the back of the side so we can have enough room to fold it. Now we're going to roll it. So now we're going to place it at the bottom of our baking dish. So me and Mom, we like to cook, so we try to find some recipes on Pinterest, our friend, and we just found it and then we liked it. So now it says pour over the rest of the enchilada sauce. So now we'll look back at our recipe, and we are going to cover the top with cheese. We are actually going to cook it for 35 minutes. Now we're going to put it in the oven. So now we're going to set the timer on Alexa. Alexa, set a 35-minute timer. 35 minutes. Now we're going to wait until the cheese is melted on the enchiladas. Stay tuned. So I just took the enchiladas out of the oven, and now I'm about to plate the enchiladas. So now we're going to put green peppers, green onions, and but you can get some extra sauce off of the thing and just drizzle some on top. It doesn't matter how much you put there, but just wait it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Russell Right on YouTube and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Stay tuned.